Tired of your creative projects taking over your entire workspace, or worse, not having a dedicated spot at all? Maybe your tools are scattered across tables, boxes, or floors, and every time inspiration hits, half your energy is spent just setting up. Now imagine a compact, multifunctional wood station you can take anywhere. A station that keeps your tools organized, your surface clear, and your creativity flowing no matter where your next idea strikes. Today we're building exactly that, using simple materials like scrap plywood, smart design, and practical thinking. Welcome to Craft Catalog. In this video we're designing and building a portable wood station made for real makers. This is not a complicated shop cabinet or a permanent bench that locks you into one location. This is a flexible, mobile solution for creators who work in small spaces, shared spaces, outdoor areas, or multiple locations. Whether you're a woodworker, DIY enthusiast, crafter, or creative hobbyist, this project will change how you work. The biggest problem most makers face isn't lack of skill. It's lack of space and organization. Tools pile up, surfaces disappear, and projects get delayed simply because setting up feels overwhelming. A portable wood station solves this by giving everything a home and creating a ready-to-work surface wherever you are. The idea is simple. Build a compact workstation that combines a sturdy work surface, tool storage, and portability. It should be light enough to move easily, strong enough to handle real work, and flexible enough to adapt to different projects. The best part is that you don't need expensive materials or specialized tools. Scrap plywood, basic fasteners, and thoughtful layout do most of the work. Let's start with the design mindset. A portable wood station must do three things well. First, it must support your work. That means a flat, stable surface that doesn't wobble. Second, it must organize your tools so you can grab what you need instantly. Third, it must move easily, whether that's across a room, into a car, or out onto a patio. Using scrap plywood is ideal for this project. Plywood is strong, stable, and forgiving. Even offcuts can be laminated or reinforced to create solid panels. Using scrap materials also keeps costs low and aligns with sustainable making, which many creators value today. The base of your portable station can take several forms. A simple box-style base provides internal storage and rigidity. An open-frame base keeps weight down and allows quick access to tools. If you want maximum mobility, adding locking casters transforms the station into a rolling workspace. If portability means lifting and carrying, built-in handles make a huge difference. The work surface should be sized thoughtfully. Too small and it becomes frustrating. Too large and it becomes heavy and awkward. A surface roughly the size of a small desk gives enough room for most creative projects while remaining manageable. Reinforcing the underside with simple ribs or frames prevents flexing and adds strength without much extra weight. Now let's talk about storage, because this is where the station truly shines. Vertical storage is your best friend. Pegboard panels, magnetic strips, or slotted plywood allow you to hang tools upright, keeping them visible and accessible. This reduces setup time and makes cleanup almost automatic. Small compartments built into the sides or interior hold screws, pencils, measuring tools, and accessories. Shallow drawers or removable bins are perfect for items you don't want rolling around during transport. The goal is not to store everything you own, but to store the tools you actually use for most projects. A fold-out feature adds incredible value. A hinged side panel can act as an extension table when needed and fold away when not. This gives you flexibility without permanently increasing the footprint of the station. Power management is another important consideration. If you use power tools, design a dedicated spot for a power strip, battery chargers, or extension cords. Routing cables neatly keeps the station safe and professional looking. Assembly is straightforward. Measure carefully, dry-fit components, and focus on squareness. This is a utility build, not fine furniture, but accuracy still matters. Strong joints and good alignment ensure the station lasts and feels solid during use. Once assembled, finishing is optional but recommended. Sanding sharp edges improves comfort and safety. A simple oil or water-based finish protects the wood while keeping the natural look. Avoid heavy finishes that add weight or make repairs difficult later. Now let's look at how this station transforms your workflow. Instead of clearing a table every time you want to work, your station is always ready. Tools are already organized. The surface is clear. Inspiration turns into action instantly. This setup is perfect for small apartments, shared homes, garages, classrooms, and outdoor workspaces. It's also ideal for creators who teach workshops, attend maker fairs, or work on-site. Your workstation travels with you, ready to go. Another major advantage is focus. When everything you need is within reach, your mind stays on the project instead of the mess. Creativity flows more easily in an organized environment. Customization is where this project really becomes yours. You can scale the design up or down, add specialized tool holders, or tailor storage to specific crafts like woodworking, leatherwork, electronics, or art. The station evolves as your skills and needs grow. This project also encourages better habits. When tools have a designated place, cleanup takes seconds. Returning tools becomes instinctive. Over time, this keeps your creative space functional and enjoyable. If you're finding this helpful, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We share practical, buildable projects designed for real creators and real spaces. Subscribing helps you stay inspired and organized. Now imagine the bigger picture. A portable wood station is not just furniture. It's a system. It supports your creativity, protects your time, and reduces friction between ideas and execution. It makes small spaces feel bigger and busy schedules feel lighter. You can build multiple stations for different purposes. One for woodworking, one for crafting, one for finishing and assembly. Because the design is modular and affordable, expanding your setup doesn't require starting from scratch. From a cost perspective, this project is incredibly efficient. Using scrap plywood and basic hardware keeps expenses minimal while delivering high functional value. This is a perfect example of how thoughtful design beats expensive materials. The station also makes a great gift or sellable product. Many people want organized creative spaces but don't know how to build them. Offering a portable wood station as a finished product or custom build opens new opportunities. As you use the station, you'll discover small improvements to make. Maybe a hook here, a divider there, or a fold-down light. That's the beauty of a maker-built solution. It grows with you. In the end, the goal is simple. Reduce friction, increase creativity, protect your space. A portable wood station does all three. Thanks for watching Craft Catalog. If this project inspired you, like the video, leave a comment with how you'd customize your station, and subscribe for more smart, practical DIY builds. Remember, you don't need a huge workshop to create great work. You just need a space that works with you. And sometimes, that space can roll right beside you wherever inspiration strikes.